Hey guys. Oh, there's my phone. Oh, Shirley comes over. Can you say yes? What? Yep. Hi. Brody, you're being so good. Are you staying down there with her? Hey, are you staying down there with her? Big red dog. Show her. He's like, what are we doing on the stairs? I don't get it. I don't get what it is. Hey, you can go back down? You can go back down with her? Good boy.